Welcome to BaitBucks, the channel that provides information on different ways to make money online. In this video, we'll discuss how you can make money through online tech support. Online tech support is a great way to make money if you're skilled in troubleshooting technical issues. To get started, you'll need to have expertise in a particular area of technology, such as computer software, hardware, or mobile devices. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. You can also create your own website and advertise your services through social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. To be successful in online tech support, you'll need to have excellent communication skills, as you'll be interacting with clients remotely. You'll need to be patient, thorough, and able to explain technical concepts in simple terms. You'll also need to invest in tools and software to help you troubleshoot technical issues effectively. Remote access software like TeamViewer or LogMeIn can help you access clients' devices and diagnose problems remotely. Finally, always provide excellent customer service and follow up with clients to ensure their issues are resolved. Building a reputation as a skilled and reliable tech support specialist can lead to repeat business and referrals. With these tips, you can start making money online by offering your tech support services. Thanks for watching BaitBucks, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.